Introducing our new professional production pipeline. Edit full-quality VPC raw data with VPCR and share with extremely compressed files in VPCX. Don't waste time waiting for your content. With reduced system resource demands, rendering performance is even faster than before. And even more exciting, Arena4D now has satellite mapping, allowing point cloud and 3D geospatial data to be viewed directly in real-world context.